Hello, you are welcome back to my channel. My name still remains Lukman, and today we are going to be looking at coconut breaking ritual for breakthrough, for open door, for favor, for success, for money, and for wealth. Previously, I did a video talking about coconut breaking. That video has generated a lot of queries. A lot of people were asking different questions. So I just said I should give an updated version of that video and also to answer most of your queries concerning coconut breaking ritual. If it's something you are interested in, then let's get into it. Okay, welcome back. Previously, I did a video titled Coconut Breaking Ritual for Extraordinary Life. In that video, I talk about how to use coconut breaking ritual for breakthrough, to attract favor, to attract wealth. And in that video, I demystify the issue of coconut breaking. I told you about the fact that coconut breaking is not something diabolical. It's something that has been in existence for ages, and some cultures they don't joke with coconut breaking. But a lot of people, maybe for one reason or the other, they didn't get some things that they were asking a lot of questions. So in this particular video, I will be answering most of your questions, and I'll also be telling you the benefits of coconut breaking ritual. Coconut breaking ritual is nothing other than getting a coconut seed and breaking it at a particular period of time and in a particular way, so as to open the door of prosperity, to open the door of favor, to open the door of wealth and good luck. If you are battling with different life problems, you are not getting through, your business is not moving, you are not getting the right suitor, or your relationship is not going the way you expected. Are you looking for a husband? Are you looking for a wife? And you have a lot of problems, no job, nothing. I want to tell you, this ritual, coconut breaking ritual, if you can be doing it the first day of every new month or the first week of a new month, then you won't have any problem, or your problem is 90 or 95% solved if you can be doing this ritual. So how do you go about it? All you need to do is just get a mature coconut like this, and when I say a mature coconut, you see it's a very full-blown coconut where you have all the three eyes is present. And you know there are different types of coconut. There are those with 2 eyes, there are those with 4 eyes, but the one you need to use is the one with these 3 eyes, because these eyes, the three as a number in spirituality, and the 3 eyes of coconut has a spiritual significance. So we are using the one with 3 eyes. So how do you do it? The first thing to do is, once you get the coconut, you have to make sure the eyes are pointing towards the source of light. You hold it like this, it should be pointing towards the source of light. Make sure it is pointing towards the source of light. For instance, if you can do it in your room, if the source of light is through the window, then you have to face the window. If the source of light is through your door, then you have to be through the source of light. But if you are doing it outside, then you can stay anywhere. But one important warning is that you cannot do it at night. You cannot do it at night. You only do it during the day. It's either in the morning when the sun has risen, or in the afternoon. You can't do it late in the evening or at night, because the essence is to make sure the eyes are facing towards the source of light. And that also has a significance, spiritual significance, because you want to send a query to the Almighty, to the universe, so it must face the source of light. So the next thing to do once you have it like this is now to turn the coconut on your head 3 good times. Turn it 3 good times. Once you turn it 3 good times, then you use the coconut to face yourself. Then you start praying, you start manifesting whatever you want. All the negativities you don't want, you pray against them. Then all the positivities you want, then you start praying for it. You don't want poverty, you don't want barrenness, you don't want failed relationship, you don't want failed marriage, you don't want bad business. What you want is favor. What you want is breakthrough. What you want is open doors. What you want is success. So you start manifesting that. Immediately you are done with that, then you now take the coconut and smash it on the floor, on the ground, with all your might. If there is a rock if you are doing that outside and you have a rock there, you just smash it. Make sure it shatters, make sure it scatters, everything break. What you are doing with that ritual is you want the water in it to escape. And once the water in this escape and the thing scatters, it means all your problems has gone with the wind. Then your problem is shattered. Now you have new energy coming to you, positivity coming to you, favor coming to you, wealth coming to you, breakthrough coming to you, good marriage coming to you, good suitors coming to you. That is what you are doing. You can see as I'm shaking it, you can see the sound of the water. The water in coconut, nobody knows how the water gets into the coconut. So by breaking it, you are releasing that water to the wind. And that water, the significance of that is that you are breaking into pieces all your problems. You are breaking into pieces all your problems, and you want all your problems to go away, and you want to attract goodness and freshness into your life. It's as simple as that. So answering most of the number one question a lot of them ask is, where can they do it? You can do this, I've said it. You can do it inside your house. You can do it at the entrance of your house. Then you can do it outside your house. Some people like doing it on the road. If you can do it, you can go to the main road and do it. All you need to do is just make sure you pray with it and you smash it, and it must shatter in one piece. Don't do it twice, just once. So you can buy the one that is not as big as this, maybe a medium, and you do it. Then another question most people ask is, what is going to happen with the coconut? Are we going to eat it? No, you don't eat this coconut, because it's a sacrifice. What you have used that coconut is like you have already shattered, you are already broken your negativity. All the things that is disturbing you are broken. How can you now eat it? You don't eat it, just leave it. If you do it in your room, then you sweep it and go and throw them away in the dustbin. If you do it outside, just break it and leave and go on your own. Don't pick anything. Don't just pick anything. If you do it on your door, you can still pack them and go and dump them in the waste bin or in the dump site. Don't bring them again inside the room. It means you are doing away with it. You don't want that negativity. Then another question is, can you do it for somebody? No, you cannot do this for somebody. You have to do it. If rather than do it for somebody, I'll teach that person how to do it. Or you can just tell them to watch this video and get them coconut and they will do it. But you don't do this ritual for somebody. You do it yourself, because even if you help them to pray to it, who is going to smash it? significantly, the symbolism there is for you smashing it. Another person cannot smash it on your behalf. You are the one that will smash it. Those are few questions that comes up with this. Another question is, can I do it for my husband? I've said it, no. Can my husband do it for me? No. Can I do it for my children? No. Make sure, teach them how to do it, and they can do it, since it's not something that is so difficult to do. All they need to do is just follow the principle as I've outlined them in this video, and just smash it, and that is all. Another question that also comes up is, when and how frequent should we do it? Yes, do it the first day of the month. I'm recording this video today, which is 31st of April. Tomorrow is the beginning of another month. You can do it, but if you cannot do it tomorrow, make sure you do it within the first week of this new month, preferably on Friday. Fridays are always very good for this ritual. Make sure you do it on Friday. Do it on Friday, and you see the immediate result. This one is a very straightforward, and it's a very genuine, very effective. Make sure that you do it. But one thing also is, if I do it now, will I see a lot of money? When somebody asked me this question, I was like surprised and baffled, because spiritual things are not something you just do and expect to have millions. It is not magic. It is spirituality. You do it. If you do it the first time, if you are lucky, then the negativity will go away in the first. But if not, do it the second month. Before you do it 3 times, the thing you definitely achieve. So make it a point of duty to be doing it every month. It means every month you are saying all the negativity of the last month should go away, and the positivity of the new month should come into you, and it will definitely come to pass. By the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing. Just subscribe, hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. It does not cost you anything. You are not paying for anybody. It is free. Just do it, so that when next we upload videos like this, and by the way, I do that twice weekly, Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thank you.